Hi and welcome to this quick video where I'll show you how to turn off the display on your LG Smart TV while still being able to listen to the sound from your TV program, YouTube video or playlist. So to do this, we press the settings button, then we make our way down to all settings. Once this loads, we go down to support, then across and down to energy saving. Just at the bottom we have screen off. I'll press this now, and as you can see the screen has gone blank. Now to bring the screen back, you can press any of the buttons except the volume button and the power button. So let's just press this blue button and the screen is back. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you have, I'd really appreciate if you can give it a quick thumbs up and let me know in the comments why you're going to blank out your screen. Thanks very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.